Welcome to the Balloons Everywhere Idea Kitchen. In this video, we will assemble the script word accent balloon recipe. You will need one jumbo foil balloon, one script word balloon, 12 5-inch latex balloons, one 260 latex twisty, curling ribbon, one heavyweight, and a hand pump. Helium inflate the jumbo foil balloon. Attach curling ribbon and a heavyweight. Air inflate the script word balloon and set aside. Next, create 3 4-balloon clusters. Inflate the bottom cluster slightly larger than the others. For detailed instructions on how to create a 4-balloon cluster, please watch the Defy Gravity video for assembling a balloon pedestal. Nest the lower balloon clusters and tie the uninflated twisty around the necks to join them together. Attach the script word balloon to the bottom of the jumbo balloon using the loose end of the knotted curling ribbon. Wrap the weighted end of the curling ribbon around the necks of the lower balloon clusters. Slip the last cluster under the jumbo balloon, twisting it 90 degrees to secure it in place. You're all done. Your balloon decor is now ready for display. Thanks for watching. All the materials for this project are available through Balloons Everywhere. For fast shipping from the nearest distribution center, you can order online at balloons.com or call 800-239-2000. To be notified when new instructional videos are added, click our logo to subscribe to the Balloons Everywhere channel.